In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts using app.constantcontact.com. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Constant Contact account and are at the main dashboard. This is the central hub where all your navigation begins. Once you're there, look for the Audience section. It's usually located in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. By clicking on Audience, you gain access to the controls that let you manage your contact list, which is essential for managing your email campaigns effectively. After you click on Audience, the next step is to click on Contacts. The Contacts page is your contact management center where you can see all the people you've added to your list or intend to add. This is a space where you organize, edit, or update contact information for your marketing purposes. The next move is to click on Add Contacts. With this action, you open up paths to either add new contacts individually or in bulk, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. For this tutorial, we will focus on adding a single contact, but know that you have options available for uploading multiple contacts at once or even importing them from a file. Now, let's proceed to add a single contact manually. Once you click on Add Contacts, you'll see an option that says Add Single Contact. Click on it. Even though we're focusing on single contacts, it's good to note here that bulk uploads are efficient for handling large data sets, which can be a huge time saver if you have many new contacts. Once you're on the Add Single Contact page, you'll need to enter the necessary details. These generally include the email address, full name, and signature, if applicable. Ensure all entered information is correct, as this data will be vital for your email campaigns. Having accurate and detailed contact information enhances personalization in your communication, which is key to higher engagement rates. After entering all the necessary details, you're almost at the finish line. The last step is to click on the Save button. This action adds the contact to your list. It's important to click Save to ensure the information is stored correctly in your system. Without saving, all your efforts in entering details will be lost. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward guide to adding a contact using app.constantcontact.com. With this newfound skill, managing your contact list and improving your email campaigns just became a lot easier. Remember, keeping your